today is Christmas Day, so first and foremost, I just want to wish you all a very, very happy Christmas, a Merry Christmas Eve, guys. I'm filming this on Christmas Eve because I wanted to share with you some cool, fun kits I got from Primark and other stores. This video today, as I said, a very Merry Christmas for you all. I hope you all regenerate and cool down and spend these days with your loved ones and family, and as much as it's possible, of course. I know this is a very, very difficult holidays for all of us, but I hope that this year makes us much stronger, and next year becomes much more easier, hopefully, regarding the pandemic situation of COVID and also about life in general. So today I thought I might actually come and share with you all a cool fun kits I got from Primark. And one of the first ones I wanted to share with you all is really cool, amazing churros baking kit. I'm gonna bake this today actually with my family, as today is Christmas Eve and I am in Germany and we celebrate on the 24th, not on the 25th. So this is a very cool churro baking kit. I got this from Primark. As it says, it was €8. I believe it's gotta be around £6 in the UK. And I know churro dough is really easy to make, but it's a really great kit. I know churro dough is really easy, but this actually comes with a churro mixture, as you can see here. Then it comes with cinnamon sugar, and then it also comes with powdered cocoa. This is really cool, and all you will be needing is 235 milliliters of warm water, a pan with cooking oil of around 1.8 liters, a digital kitchen thermometer, and that's basically it. And you also get this bag, this spritz bag in, which is really handy in case you don't have any. So I thought this is really cool. I'm gonna update you all later on my stories. Another thing I got also for cooking and baking today or tomorrow over these days is this one, this little friend over here, this little pan. It's also of course by Primark. It is really cool. It's also a kit. It's a cast iron skillet to bake a cookie. This was €6 or around 4 or 5 pounds. I got the Butterfinger M&M. So I'm gonna try this out and let you know as well how good this is, because I'm really yearning to get some good cookie, so especially like warm cookies. So yeah, I thought this is really cool, and I think for 5 pounds it's really cool because you get this cast iron skillet thing as well, so it's a reasonable price basically. Another baking kit from Primark I got was this. Ta-da! So this is a cookie baking kit. Unfortunately, this is misleading. This does not come with a mug. It doesn't advertise a mug either, but it, you know, it's on here. So you think it may include a mug, but it doesn't. It's just the dough and some two nice cookie cutters, which is also cool. You get 2 packs. I already had another pack of this. I already made them. They were bomb.com and so easy, guys, and so yummy. These are of course sugar cookies, which you can drink with your Coke, hot chocolate or hot cacao, or even just with more milk or just by itself. Have them. They're really good, really handy, and super quick and super fast. All you need is for this is basically just 4 tablespoons of water, 1 medium egg, and 85 grams of butter, and that's all it, guys. And it's really, these sugar cookies are really good. I really like them. That from Primark is not a baking kit, but it's another great Christmassy gift kit, which I think is super cool. It's a velvety pyjama in lilac. It has a kitten on it, a little cat. I love the color lilac. It also says do not disturb over here, and it's a great money for value thing. You can gift it as a Christmas gift or as a stocking filler. Also get it for yourself. I basically got one for myself. This was €12 or £10. So go and check it out, guys. These will be there after Christmas as well. These are really, really good. And I can't wait to wear mine actually after Christmas dinner and everything. Another kit I got was just remain true to myself and my channel. I thought why not include a little skincare beauty kit, which is this super cool Kiehl's gift kit. It has the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask, which is basically for your T-zone as well as all over your face, but I just applied it on my T-zone today and I noticed a difference. It was so good, guys. And then the other mask you have is the Hydrating Nourishing Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask, which is this one over here, the green one. It's also very, very good. And then the other mask I got was the Ginger Leaf Hibiscus Firming Mask. It's an overnight mask. And then the other mask which is in there is the Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiation Mask, which is this orange mask over here with seeds in them. I use this as well on my cheeks basically for that glow, as you can see. And which is also pretty good. I really liked it a lot. I think that this one I first saw 2 years ago on Kosher Beauty's wedding video. So I thought this little kit is really a great gift kit, not just for the holiday season of Christmas, but also for New Year's and beyond, as a gift, basically as a birthday present or any other present, or just for yourself to try. You all know Kiehl's is wonderful. It's a great skincare brand in my opinion. I love Kiehl so much. I enjoy their oils or their night reviving oil. And this is a great value for money pack because you get 4 teeny pots in there. I can show you the sizes actually. You get around 0.5 fluid ounces or 14 milliliters of each product in here. As you can see, it's a small pot, but there's quite a lot of product actually in them, so you get a decent amount of testing, a tryout time, if you will. So yeah, I thought this is really cool just to try out and test out these masks before buying the full-size ones, because Kiehl's is expensive. Kiehl's is so expensive, guys. At least to me, like you get like a mask for 40 quid or so. And if you don't have the 40 or 45 quid, save your money, girl. Go and get this first. See if you like any of them or all of them, and then you can go out and buy the full-size product. So yeah, guys, this was basically it from me. I don't want to ramble on for too long because today's Christmas Eve and I got lots of stuff to do, as I'm sure you all have too. So I want to keep this video short and cute. I hope you all are having wonderful Christmas days or wonderful Christmas holidays. And stay strong. We shall overcome. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my videos, please, and to my channel, of course. Go and follow me on socials. It is simply Sari on Instagram, on TikTok, as well as Snapchat and Twitter. Go and follow me. All my details and information is linked down below in the info box. And so see you all soon, guys. Have a wonderful day.